Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. In this video, we're exploring Ownbit.io, a fascinating platform designed to help you build your own personal knowledge base. Navigating to ownbit.io/en will take you to the English version of the site. Ownbit offers a compelling solution for managing your ever-growing collection of digital information. Think of it as a central hub where you can consolidate your notes, articles, code snippets, and more, transforming them into a powerful, searchable, and interconnected knowledge graph. One of the key strengths of Ownbit.io lies in its ability to foster deep connections between your various pieces of information. It's not just about storing data, it's about weaving a rich tapestry of knowledge. This interconnectedness allows you to uncover hidden relationships, explore new ideas, and develop a more comprehensive understanding of your subject matter. The platform promotes active learning by encouraging you to link related concepts, creating a dynamic and evolving knowledge base. Ownbit provides a user-friendly interface that simplifies the process of adding, organizing, and connecting your information. Whether you prefer working with text, images, or code, Ownbit offers a versatile platform for capturing your thoughts and ideas. The platform's search functionality allows you to quickly locate specific information within your growing knowledge base, making it an invaluable tool for researchers, students, and anyone seeking to organize their digital lives. Beyond simple search, Ownbit empowers you to explore your knowledge in new ways through its interconnected graph visualization, allowing you to see how different pieces of information relate to one another. For those who value data privacy and control, Ownbit.io allows you to host your personal knowledge base on your own server. This feature offers greater control over your data, ensuring that your sensitive information remains private and secure. This self-hosting option adds a significant layer of flexibility and security for users concerned about data ownership. Overall, Ownbit.io presents a compelling option for anyone looking to build a powerful, personalized, and interconnected knowledge base. It's a platform that goes beyond simple note-taking, fostering deeper understanding and facilitating more effective knowledge management.